Bro, finally just got to sleep. It's only 5 o'clock. Far louder than I imagined. Crazy. Oh man. How long's getting off? 9 o'clock. Maybe get 1 extra hour in. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get 1 extra. Good morning, beautiful people. This bed is comfortable, man. And pillows. I think it's on memory foam. Sleep was incredibly good for someone who's woken up like a million fucking times. That was good sleep. Aircon was on, so nice and cold. It was like outside, like in a weird way. And let's see what outside looks like, because we both don't know what it looks like. So let's have a look. This needs to go on charge. Close your eyes, people. Don't peek. Wow. It's actually nice. Nice. Look at this. What do you think? And this side. That white church down there with the fucking bells in. So the beach does not look close at all. So we'll have some walking to do, but we need to get rid of some of this. Although we're not looking too bad, to be fair, so we need to get a lot of fucking burgers for a while. I'm gonna jump on Notion for 2 hours before we do anything, just because it's doing my head in, and we need to get Notion at least partly done. We don't have to go shopping twice because we need like loads of water. Unless we get a grab to pick us like 20 bottles of water up. Fuck knows. Just looking at my maps. So first protocol, first mission in after we've done a bit of computer work. 17-minute walk to get here. It's the first shop. This seems to sell kind of soaps and stuff. Go there, get some soaps, tough put paste, whatever kind of cleaning stuff for this place, and then on the way back fill up as much water we can carry. Come back, put water in there, see what foods we can cook, get some oats because we can do that just in the microwave, and then jump back onto some computer work for really the rest of the day, and then tomorrow go out further to a proper supermarket and see if we can get ourselves a hot plate and some cooking equipment. So I've just been editing this fucker, and I've accidentally deleted a whole folder, and I've deleted it out of my bin because I mixed it up with vlog 11. This is vlog fucking 12, and now all the data's gone. But lucky enough, I don't know how long it's going to last for, so I'm gonna have to be quick. I can watch it through here, but if I close this down, I believe everything's gonna be gone, ending and work. I'm gonna have to record my screen, even though it's not even edited properly. So I have to cut it between each one. This is also a fucking ball ache. We hopefully should have it, so I'm gonna quickly just jump back onto this just before I lose it all, because fuck, yeah. So I'm gonna screen record everything in a bit. So that was fucking lucky. We've managed to screen record it on the first attempt. So now that's not even accessible now. So I can't even click on anything, you can't even get sound from it or nothing. That could have been a huge fuck up. But, solved it. So I'm gonna get back to editing, and yeah, I'm starving. We're fasting now, so just water and coffee. So, the shop I found on my computer, I can't actually seem to find it on the phone on my maps. So we're just gonna go to the first one I found, first one I can see, which is actually only a 2-minute walk, which could be right in front of me. But we ain't got no money, so we need to find a bank. Wow, we need to try and at least pay by card so we know it works, and find a bank. Heat's super fucking hot. This is where we're walking. It's slightly different to Vietnam and Thailand. Is quite different. First 10 minutes you can see the difference between them both. So I think that could be it. No idea. don't know if it's even open yet. Right, it doesn't look like it's got food in. Doesn't look like there's food there. Man. Fuck knows. GPS is not working very well. It's telling us we're actually going backwards, but I don't think we are. It's a bakery. Well, there's a shop here. So, the question is, can we pay on card? Yeah. After you. Yeah, thank you. Can I pay on card?
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, awesome. Nice. Pay on card. And this could be one I saw online. The cleaning supplies. Nice. So. So I don't know if you noticed, but I'm using a different camera. I don't think I had a lot of content which ended up getting mixed up, so I'm not going to be posting that. So I'm actually using a Pocket 3, which is quite a game changer in itself. But it just kind of goes on its own when I'm turning, so I'm going to figure out why that is. Washing tabs, they all look the same to me. Too much of to choose from. The cheapest bog roll we got. So we need washing tablets. They've got like liquid stuff, which fuck knows. I'm not too sure. So you got this big thing. I'm gonna have to use my phone and do some translation because I have no idea. No idea. I kind of got an idea what I've got now by using my phone, but price wise, no idea. And there's gonna be a lot to carry, so we may just do 3 trips to different shops and just get it all done. Still need to get a hot plate, so I'm gonna sort that out, get that. So all that, I've already seen it on my phone while on my watch, and it said like £26. Nice. So we got that, and there. We're back, and the handle fell off this thing. Oh, it's hot, man. A little walk, nothing too crazy, but definitely fucking hot. So, let's see what I got. A few waters. I felt like I had more carrying it. So we've got pretty much everything from washing our clothes, brushing our teeth, keeping clean, washing up. Obviously going to be washing up in the bathroom sink. It's big enough. I got some kind of roller, potentially. A coffee, the only stuff that had non-sugar stuff. Some milk because I don't have much, I don't have no calcium in anything over the last really 2 months apart from random coffees and milk in. So I'm going to start with some milk. Hopefully that's strong enough to start whitening my teeth because obviously too much coffee. A snack now because I'm starving, and some cleaning stuff.
Oh, sick.
Đó. Nhìn ra.
So we got back from a shop, and then this Notion thing was just in my mind, man. It needs finishing, and I know so many hours, so we didn't actually get out. And it's now, from the morning, it's now 22:44, so it's nearly 11 o'clock. And this thing's coming to be a masterpiece, to be honest, I ain't gonna lie. I've still got a lot to do, but because I've done so much, I need to test it out to make sure it works before I add even more tweaks. So, ground zero, just to run through. We've got 5V, which I think I've already showed you, which I've just removed reflection out, so it's just 2 fire blocks and retest. I've not filled it out because I've deleted all the trial ones. So literally everything has tags, statuses, symbols, pictures, whatever I need to do. It's going to be hard to kind of visualize it until you see it in motion, but everything's going to have tags, so I can just filter out, say if I put some entries in, which for instance it may be ideas or it could be just little rants or whatnot. I just type it all in And then at the end of the week or whatnot, I just filter it out and it'll tell me what rants, what were like diary entries, what just pretty much everything, man. It's literally going forward. Obviously, it's taking it's gonna be hundreds of hours at this rate, but it's a long-term investment. Obviously, we love investing in sales, love trading, all that stuff, financial stuff. This itself should be fucking huge. If it's in my mind, if I can make it how I want, I'm even making custom pictures, but they're hard because Notion likes to resize stuff, so it's annoying. But fucking tons and tons. I'm mostly like 20% in it. It's fucking crazy. And I got one for my trades now. So going back to a trading vault. This is now all my systems. Everything syncs to this page. Obviously, I've not made one of these yet. Everything syncs to this page. It's gonna be hard to see because I've deleted all the entries. So every trade I take ends up in here with pictures, formula, counts my win ratio and everything. And then each one's gonna have a system. Each system it's got its own page, so only box system logs here, depending which, if it's like a 5 minute, 15 minute. So I'll only see box systems, same as range trading. I'll only see range ones, but all them will filter out automatically. So in short, I got a folder, so instead of me having separate folders on Google and stuff with different trades in, each one's got a separate one, but they all sync into the main one, and then I can filter that out. Again, incredible. And then I got one which I'm building out now, which is just the performance tracker. And my video, the V12 vlog in Bangkok with the boys, pretty sick one. I've rendered that, it's taken all day because I've been running 3 screens. Well, 2 extra streams on here, so it's taken a whole day to do. When I realised that I couldn't find it and realised I deleted it, so that must be what happened with a previous one, reason I couldn't find it. So I had to restore that and then it's back. Tomorrow, just fucking editing to get back on track to know where I am. We got the Pocket 3 up there, which I'm playing around with colour settings, so hopefully all the content I've do it in flat colour. So if we want to add some colour to it, it comes back up to how I want it. Otherwise that'd be all a loss. But everything's starting to come on back on track. Like this stuff, I could spend hours. Like I've drank so much coffee and taken so many of these nicotine things, man. I just need to like stretch and kind of catch up with the pictures I've taken and just do some other little task here and there. That trade we're out now. We closed position here. So we've only broken even because we took a trade too late because we was watching the fireworks down here. So that's, we lost 1 hour here, even though we had more percentage, but it's pretty much broke even. For the day of my trading, I just need to fill my old trades into this log to make sure everything's syncing, and then I can upgrade even more. So yeah, man, I'd like to say I'm done for the day, but we all know, innit? Fuck that.